Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic to discuss: the best side hustles you can start right now to make some extra cash. Side hustles are a fantastic way to boost your income and achieve financial freedom. In this video, we're going to share the top 6 side hustles that you can start today. Let's dive in. 1. Freelancing. Our first top side hustle is freelancing. Freelancing is a versatile way to earn money while leveraging your skills and expertise. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, web developer, or a social media marketer, the world of freelancing offers a wide array of opportunities. To kickstart your freelancing journey, it's essential to create a compelling online profile on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. This profile should serve as a showcase of your skills, past work, and experiences. Once your profile is polished, you can start bidding on projects that align with your skills and interests. One of the key advantages of freelancing is flexibility. You can work from anywhere, set your own working hours, and take on projects that resonate with you. This level of autonomy can be empowering, especially for those seeking work-life balance. Besides the financial benefits, freelancing allows you to build a diverse portfolio and gain valuable experience. With dedication and consistent effort, you can turn your freelancing side hustle into a thriving career. Before we go to our second pick, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. 2. Dropshipping. Our second top side hustle is dropshipping. If you've ever contemplated running an online store but were hesitant about managing inventory, dropshipping is the answer. Here's how it works. You establish an online store and select products to sell from suppliers. These products are then listed on your website. When a customer places an order, the supplier handles the shipping directly to the customer. The beauty of dropshipping is that you're not burdened with the complexities of managing inventory, making it a hassle-free way to run an e-commerce business. Dropshipping carries a relatively low financial risk as you don't need to invest heavily in stocking products. This business model allows you to explore different product niches and quickly adapt to shifting market trends. Effective marketing and exceptional customer service are vital components of dropshipping success. While dropshipping may require a learning curve, from mastering product selection to fine-tuning your marketing strategies, it can evolve into a profitable side hustle and potentially a full-time business venture. 3. Online tutoring. Our third top side hustle is online tutoring, a versatile and rewarding way to earn extra income while making a positive impact on others. With the rise of online education, there's a growing demand for qualified tutors across a wide range of subjects. Online tutoring is not just about sharing your knowledge. It's about creating a valuable learning experience for students. You can sign up on platforms like Wyzant, Chegg Tutors, or VIP Kid, depending on your expertise and the age group you prefer to teach. One of the key advantages of online tutoring is flexibility. You set your own schedule, allowing you to work with students from around the world, all from the comfort of your home. This flexibility makes it an ideal side hustle for working professionals, students, and stay-at-home parents. Beyond the financial gains, online tutoring provides a sense of accomplishment as you help students grasp challenging subjects and achieve academic success. As you build your reputation and student base, your online tutoring can evolve into a consistent source of revenue, making it a fulfilling and lucrative side hustle. 4. Content creation. Our fourth top side hustle is content creation, a dynamic and creative avenue for those who have a passion for making videos, writing, or photography. With the rise of platforms like YouTube, Medium, and Instagram, content creators have more opportunities than ever before. To get started, it's essential to choose a niche or topic you're passionate about. This serves as the foundation for creating engaging, high-quality content that entertains, educates, or inspires your target audience. The beauty of content creation is that it's not just a side hustle. It's an art form and a business. As your content gains traction and attracts an audience, you can monetize it through various means, including ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and merchandise sales. Content creation allows you to express your creativity while building a loyal online community. Over time, as you consistently produce valuable content and grow your audience and engagement, it can become a significant source of income and even turn into a full-time career, offering not just financial rewards but also a platform to share your passions and ideas with the world. 5. Remote consulting. Our fifth top side hustle is remote consulting, a lucrative and flexible way to leverage your expertise and help others in your field. If you have specialized knowledge in areas like business, finance, marketing, or any other industry, remote consulting can be a rewarding option. To get started in remote consulting, it's crucial to establish an online presence that showcases your experience and qualifications. This can take the form of a professional website, a LinkedIn profile, or a well-curated social media presence. Your online presence is your digital storefront, where potential clients can learn about your expertise. Remote consulting offers several benefits, including the ability to set your own rates. This means you can charge what you're worth. Additionally, remote consulting provides the freedom to work with clients from around the world, breaking down geographic barriers. Most importantly, you have the autonomy to select projects that align with your skills and interests, making it a fulfilling endeavor. The beauty of remote consulting is that it allows you to monetize your knowledge and experience while helping clients solve specific problems. It's not just a side hustle but an opportunity to establish yourself as an authority in your field, generate a consistent source of additional income, and make a meaningful impact on your clients' success. 6. Affiliate marketing. Our sixth top side hustle is affiliate marketing, a versatile and passive income stream that can be incredibly lucrative. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate links. To get started with affiliate marketing, you can join affiliate programs offered by companies across various industries, such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Once you're part of an affiliate program, you'll have access to a wide range of products or services to promote. Affiliate marketing can be seamlessly integrated into your existing online presence, whether you have a blog, a social media following, or a YouTube channel. The key is to create content that genuinely provides value to your audience and promotes products or services relevant to them. When your audience makes a purchase using your affiliate links, you earn a commission. The appeal of affiliate marketing lies in its passive nature. Once you've created valuable content and strategically placed your affiliate links, you can continue to earn commissions on sales generated by that content over time. It's a side hustle that has the potential to become a consistent source of passive income, allowing you to make money while you sleep. Affiliate marketing is not just about promoting products. It's about building trust with your audience. The more your audience trusts your recommendations, the more successful your affiliate marketing efforts will be. There you have it, our top 6 side hustles. These side hustles cater to a wide range of skills and interests and offer not only financial rewards but also the flexibility to work on your terms. When selecting a side hustle, remember to align it with your strengths and passions. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more valuable insights on making money and achieving financial freedom. If you have any video ideas, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.